Right, so let's get into job openings. Let's get into posting a job. I work with security companies. I'm a security company background. I used to be a burglar alarm fitter, so it's easier for me to do like this security senior security technician jobs, right? So let me post a job. So we're going to create a job. Posting title is let's say a fire alarm technician, right? Fire alarm technician. Department's going to be. You can create a new one here. It would be, to be honest, it would be for service and install, but let's call it fire inspection, because that might be a department within, right? New department. I clicked. I searched there into our fire department, right? Department, save and associate, right? So I've created a new department, and it's going to tag that job. Number of positions. It's up to you how many you're hiring for, right? Hiring manager. So who's in charge of the fire department? Let's say, okay, we'll say Harry HR. And then you would have to change. You can change your product titles within the setup. I should have done it. Well, I don't need to do it, but when you, depending on your company, you would have different titles here, and you can change them within the setup. So don't worry what it says. Product manager, it would say fire alarm technician, wouldn't it? Date opened today. Signed recruiter. Go with Harry HR again. We'll say it's his department. Full-time job. Target date. When do you want it to get closed by? We'll say the end of the year. City. Sunny Doncaster. Job opening in progress. Province South Yorkshire. Industry. So again, you can edit these to whatever you want it to do. If you don't need it to say industry, but it will filter jobs to this sort of category. What's this? Services, rental, repair, maintenance. Let's just go with that. You can change everything, right? Don't worry what it says. Years experience 5+. Country, salary. Geez, I don't know what these guys get paid these days. 25K to 30. You can see how up to $30,000 to 30. I don't know. Don't you always put depending on experience? I haven't applied for a job since 1998. Job description, obviously, fire alarm technician, service, I don't know, repair, maintenance, Yorkshire area covered. I don't know. I just for that other one I just searched it, a job and copied and pasted it. Right. So what was requirements? Right. Requirements plus 5 years. I don't know what the NACOS certified. I don't think it is for fire alarm guys. I think it's somewhere else now. NACOS certified. Benefits. Oh God, I don't. They always put phone, car, pension in it, retirement pension, something like that. Whatever you guys offer, right? Save. And when I'm happy, I can publish it, right? My job description's not long enough. Security, let's copy this. Obviously, you would be better at this than me. Right? Save and publish. If it's happy, it'll publish it. At this point, if you're linked, mine isn't linked to job boards at the minute, but I can publish on my website. So I have a job board website as part of Zoho Recruit, and we'll look at that as well. Choose choose apply candidate form. So if you've got different application forms for different jobs, that you would pick it here, but let's just go with this basic one. Job opening assessment form, and again, you would have different assessment forms. So let's go general. I think you'd be happy with that, and publish. So now it is live, and we've published a job, right? So now we're active. The job is active. So print preview. So what we'll do next is we'll show the live application page, and we'll log in as a employee, a candidate, and fill out the form.